Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, today's video is so exciting. We're going to be playing around with the new Colourpop and Snow White collection. I'm so excited. When I saw a little preview on Instagram when they first posted a little sneak peek of it, I was like over the moon. I think this is so cute and I am not surprised that they're doing Snow White. Snow White is like literally the OG Disney movie, so you know Colourpop loves their little Disney collabs, so I'm not surprised that they're doing Snow White. This collection is launching today when you guys are watching this, February 16th at 10 a.m. PST. As always, you guys can use my code. It is just Katrina and it'll save you 10% off the Colourpop website. Link everything down below for you guys once it is available. You guys know the drill. I'll be doing swatches of everything, giving you guys my review. I also did a tutorial, but I'm still filming this right now and I was having issues with my lighting earlier. You guys know I've been having issues trying to figure out the lighting in this new place, so I was having issues during the tutorial part, so I don't know if I'm going to insert the tutorial or not. We'll see how it is once I start editing this video. I'll update you guys right here on the screen if I did the tutorial or not. But I really like how the look turned out, so I hope that the tutorial didn't look too bad. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to be showing you guys all the products, doing some close-ups, and then I'll insert the swatches as well. So first thing that we have in the collection is obviously an eyeshadow palette. This is the Dreams Come True palette. Unicarton is super cute, so you can see the palette through the unicarton in the like little window, and then you take it out, and it has this really cute scene of Snow White in front of the little castle, and it says Dreams Come True on the front with little birds holding up the sign. And then when you open it up, this is what it looks like, and it has a cute little like storybook kind of little design up here in the front, and then this is what the inside of the palette looks like with all of the shades. So it says create looks that sparkle like diamonds with 12 shades of soft neutrals, cobalt blue, and a candy apple red in matte metallic, matte sparkle, and super shock finishes. I love that the colors in here correlate with like the packaging. You guys know how I feel about that. I also saw a lot of comments about the palette itself, and I'm not really sure why, because this is exactly what I thought the Snow White palette would look like. It has like all the Snow White colors in there, so I'm not too sure. I saw a lot of mixed feelings and comments about the palette, but it's exactly what I would think Snow White palette would look like. It has reds and blues and golds. And obviously some neutral shades and stuff. But yeah, so that's what the palette looks like. So the next thing that we have are two lip kits. We have Love's First Kiss, which has Snow White on it, and then we have Thy Magic Spell, which has the Evil Queen. And each one of the lip kits comes with a lip liner, a luxe lipstick, and a luxe gloss. So Love's First Kiss is Snow White's little lip kit, and this one is a red lip kit. This is the one I actually have on right now. So we have the lip liner, which is called Such a Beauty. The gloss is called Red as Rose, and the luxe lipstick is just called Snow White. I love the packaging on everything. It's super cute. I believe that the luxe lipstick is a matte formula from when I just applied it. I believe that's what it is. I love the packaging on this. I think it's super cute. I'll put close-ups of these on the screen. And then we also have Thy Magic Spell. Like I said, this one is the Evil Queen one. I think this one is so pretty. And this one's more of a like vampy kind of kit. So we have the Lippie pencil, which is called Jealous Much. I think it's so cute, and it's like a really pretty like dark purpley vampy color, and then the lipstick matches the lip liner as well. Then the gloss is called Queen G, and this one's like a really pretty like lavender gloss with some blue shift to it. Those are the two lip kits in this collection. Next we have three Super Shock blushes. So I love the unicartons for these. So this is what the unicartons look like, and then the actual like Super Shock blushes are in this really pretty like light blue component. It has Snow White on the front of it, but the little unicorns have the little birds and little squirrel or chipmunks. Are those chipmunks? I don't know. On the packaging, I'll put them on, like, you guys will probably see them better in the close-up, but I love the unicartons for these. So we have Just Rosie, I Wish, and Fair Enough. Three of the blushes are in the pearlized finish, which is my favorite finish for the Super Shock blushes, and I'm super excited because I feel like a lot of times the Super Shock blushes that come out are in the matte formula, so I love seeing the pearlized ones. I Wish is this really pretty like light pink with some gold shift throughout it. We have Fair Enough, and this one is like a really pretty like bright peachy rosy pink shade with some gold shimmer throughout this one. And lastly, we have Just Rosy, and this is a beautiful like plummy purple shade with some, I think this one also has some gold shimmer throughout it as well. This one matches like the Evil Queen lip kit so well. This is so pretty. This would look so beautiful like on deeper skin tones. And we have, which I think is like one of the stars of the show, and this is the Lippie scrub. So this is called Just One Bite, and it has the poison apple on the unicarton. I love that they really put a lot of thought into some of the unicartons when it comes to like the Disney collabs. I think they're so cute. And then this one is in a little apple packaging. Like, are you joking? Seriously, it's so cute. So it just comes in this little apple packaging. This reminds me of like old Hello Kitty packaging. If you guys have ever gotten like something from Hello Kitty, I don't know why, like I remember it being like a little apple packaging. It smells so good. It smells like the apple Jolly Rancher. Oh my god, it smells amazing. And I used it earlier and it feels so nice on the lips. So this is definitely like a must. This is like the cutest little display package with the little poison apple. Are you kidding me? And last but not least, another star of the show. This is the Magic Mirror. I feel like you couldn't have a Snow White collection without this. So this is what the unicarton looks like, and it has the magic mirror on the front of it. And then this is what the actual little mirror looks like. I love this. So it has the face on it, and this is actually a sticker, so it will come off if you want to use it like as a functioning mirror, but you can still kind of see yourself in it even with the sticker on, so I don't even want to take it off. And then the back of the mirror says make a wish and unlock the magic. It comes in this really beautiful like royal purple packaging, and it just says make a wish with this hand mirror inspired by the memorable magic mirror in the classic Disney film. Yeah, this is an absolute must in this collection, especially if you love Snow White and you're like a collector or anything. You need this. Like, obviously this is adorable. But yeah, so that's everything in the collection. Like I said, this collection is launching today, so I'll link that below for you guys once it is available. But yeah, so this is the look that I came up with today using the collection. If you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on the collection, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the palette. I don't really know what I want to do yet. Like, I kind of have an idea. I'm gonna kind of make it up as we go. So I'm gonna start off with the shade Such Grace. It's like this really pretty peachy shade to use as a transition. And I'm just gonna start patting this into my crease. I kind of want to do something with the black shadow in this palette, so I'm gonna kind of keep it a little lighter right now and then maybe kind of deepen it up as we go. I'm gonna go into In the Land. It's this like really pretty reddish brown shade. And I'm gonna put this a little bit in this outer corner and into the crease. It's a little bit more red. It's like a browny red, I guess, more so than like a reddish brown. It's on the outer corner and then into the crease, just a little bit lower than that shade that we put down initially. Also kind of bringing this a little bit out towards like where my brow ends, just that way, because I kind of want to wing this look out, I think. That kind of shape right now. I'm going to clean this up afterwards with some concealer, but for right now, I think that's good. I want to go in with this red shade, but I think I'm going to take this a little bit more along the lash line than like on the lid. Little tiny brush for this. This is a Colourpop E29. I love this brush for like little detail work. And this is such a pretty red. So taking that a little bit in this like outer V area. You guys, I'm literally about to like rip my hair out. My camera like will not work with my lighting in this room like at all. A beige blanket back here because I'm like, is this what's like messing it up? Like, I have no idea. For some reason my camera like has manual white balance, so like if something is too dark in the background, it like makes everything super blue. Sorry, please bear with me while I figure out lighting in this house, but I am just so annoyed right now. I think I'm gonna go in with Far Away, which is this shade, a little bit lower than that red shade because I really want to just like make this super smoky. I'm just taking a little bit more of that black and just kind of smoking that out. I'm gonna go into Spellbreaker. It's this like really pretty shimmery white, and I'm gonna put that in the blank space that's left, so like not in my crease and not a little bit above that red shade. I'll take a little bit of Ever After. It's the, I think this is a Super Shock shadow. It's like a little bit more of a lighter gold. Okay, I think I like that a little bit more. Yes. Ooh, Ooh, that's actually really pretty. I go a little bit back with Charmed and put this a little bit along the lash line. I do want that red to pop with Far Away, which is a black. And just kind of re-intensify that a little bit. Go ahead and finish up the eyes a little bit. We'll get back to like the lower lash line and stuff. I did my foundation, bronzer and stuff. So let's move on to blush. So I'm really excited because these are pearlized Super Shock blushes. And those are my favorite formula of the Super Shocks. So I'm gonna go in with Fair Enough. This one's kind of like a really pretty bright pink, some gold shimmer throughout it. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite blush brush for Super Shocks, and that's a Colourpop F9. I like this for all cream blushes or Super Shock blushes. So I'm just tapping a little bit and then just kind of blending it out. That's very pink actually. Kind of looks like I got slapped. A little bit on the bridge of my nose and it looks really pretty. So let's finish up the eyes while we're here because the only other products we have are some lip products. So let's just go ahead and finish this up. I actually like once I kind of cleaned up the edges with some concealer and stuff when I did my base. The eyes look really pretty. That's kind of exactly what I wanted. So for the lower lash line, I'm actually going to use the blue because I want to keep it kind of Snow Whitey. So I'm going to go in with Just One Kiss. It is a really pretty blue that you think of when you think of Snow White. So I'm going to take this along the lower lash line. I'm not going all the way to the outer corner yet. I'm kind of starting in the middle because I want to take the black, but since this is a blue, I don't want it to look too dark at the end yet. So I'm just kind of starting from the middle and going towards the inner part for that blue. I'm going to go in with Far Away, which is that black shade. I'm going to take that right on the outer corner. Buff that out with In the Land, which is that more like reddish brown shade that we used earlier. I'm going to just blend the edges of that out. Then for the inner corner, I'm going to go back with Spellbreaker, which is that like nice frosty white. Do my nose contour, some lashes, and then we'll finish off with the lips, so I'll be right back. Okay, I just put on some lashes and I'm baking right now. Also, my lashes are still drying, so please ignore the glue for right now. We're gonna try out the lip products. So I'm gonna go in with the little lip scrub real quick. I think this is so cute. It has like the poison apple, and then the actual lip scrub is a little apple, which is, are you joking? And it says just one bite. That is so cute. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of the lip scrub. Oh, it smells so good. It smells amazing. Love it. It has like a little bit of shimmer in it, I think, too. I can't really tell, but it's so cute. The scent is insane. It smells like a like the green Jolly Rancher. The two lip kits, there's the Magic Spell one with the Evil Queen on it, and First Kiss, that one has Snow White. I think I'm going to go in with this one just because I think it'll go with the eye look a little bit better, but we'll see. Each one has a lip liner, a Luxe gloss, and a Luxe lipstick. So I'm gonna go in with the lip liner first. The one in this one is called Such a Beauty. Ooh, that's a beautiful red. It's like a darker red, but not super dark. Going with the lipstick now. This one is just called Snow White, and it matches. It pretty much matches the lip liner exactly. This is such a pretty red. Oh my god. This is so pretty. A beautiful, beautiful red. I love this so much. And it has little apples on the lipstick. That's so cute. Let's try with this gloss over it as well. This one's called Red as Rose, and it's a beautiful like metallic looking gloss with some, it's red with some gold shimmer throughout it. Gorge. This is so pretty. I'm usually not like super wowed with like red lips, but there's something about this one. I don't know what it is, but it is so pretty. It literally looks like my lips look so juicy. I love this. Oh my god. So crazy. I did not think that this would probably be like my favorite thing in the entire collection. I've been like on a red lip kick lately, so maybe that's what it is, but this is so, my lips look like a literal juicy red apple. I I'm obsessed. I think this is so pretty. Let me go ahead and dust off this powder, fix up my lashes real quick, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on everything. So this is the finished look. I'm obsessed with this lip color. I was not expecting to like it this much, but I feel like it really tied the whole look together. At first I was like, okay, like the eye look is cute, but like once I had the lips on, I'm obsessed. So let me give you guys my final thoughts on everything. Let me go product by product. The palette I think is super cute. I love the packaging. I think it's adorable. Is it my favorite palette to ever exist? Not really. I don't know what palette this reminds me of, but like the look, I feel like I've definitely done a look with another Colourpop palette that looks similar to this. I don't know what palette it is and I can't think of it at the top of my head, but just saying that, I'm pretty sure that there are other palettes that look similar to this. But I also want to say, it's like, what other colors could you have put in here for like a Snow White palette, you know? So I'm not mad at it completely, but I do think that there's probably another Colourpop palette that has been similar to this, because I definitely, the look, I'm like, this looks like something else I've done before. My two favorite things in the entire collection are the lip kits. I think these are stunning. This red lip one is so beautiful. And I just really like the packaging, and I like that you get like an entire lip kit with it, and you don't have to like purchase everything separately. It has the lip liner, gloss, and lipstick in there all in one, and I think the packaging is adorable. Both of them are very pretty. I'm so in love with this red lip. But the Evil Queen one, the Dye Magic Spell, is so pretty as well, and I love the gloss in there, but this one is so pretty. So I think if you can't pick between the two, I would go with the Snow White one, because I think this is such a beautiful red lip that I think would work on all different skin tones. So I'm obsessed. This is like an obvious must if you even like Snow White. Like, how could you not pick up this mirror? It is so cute. And I know that the little face on it is just like a little sticker, so that does come off and it does function as an actual mirror, but I don't even want to take it off. It's so cute. And I just like that it says make a wish and unlock the magic. I think that's so cute. The lip scrub, this is a must. It's like the Winnie the Pooh collection. The lip mask and the lip scrub were like a must for that collection. I think this is also a definite must. It smells amazing. It smells so good. And I think the packaging is just so cute, and I love how it looks in the box because it looks like the poison apple. The lip kits and the mirror are definitely my favorite things in the entire collection. I also really liked the blushes. I do love the pearlized finish though, and I wish that they would do more pearlized finish Super Shock blushes, because I feel like a lot of times they're the matte ones, and I love the formula of the pearlized one. So yeah, anyways, that's everything in the collection. Like I said, definitely must pick up the lip kits, the lip scrub, and the mirror. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this collection. What do you guys think about it? Are you guys gonna pick anything up? Let me know in the comments down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.